Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing BoxyCharm for September. And you know the drill, right? BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription, makeup and skincare. You get this page, this postcard telling you what's in here. I'm going to put that aside. BoxyCharm does have all full-size products, and if they do have a sample, it's an extra. And they also do pop-up sales too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting into this. This is Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Shadows, which is a surprise. I think these just, are these the ones that just came out? I'm not sure, but I think so. So that's kind of a surprise, a full-size Huda Beauty. So it's matte and metal liquid eyeshadow with it looks like just a rounded doe foot applicator on the matte and then a brush applicator on the metal side. So that's the first product. Then we get Kate Somerville exfoliating treatment in here. And then we get Billion Dollar Beauty Sponge. And I can always use backups because they do, you know, they don't last forever. But I do have a couple sponges now, but I can always use backups. So then the next thing we have in here is Laura Geller Volumizing Brush, Lash Boss in bold. So another mascara, which is cool because I've just ran out of a couple mascaras. The very last thing in the box is, oh my goodness, oh I'm excited about this. So it's Spanglish by Alamar Cosmetics, the palette. And I am excited about this because I was thinking about buying this, even though I'm kind of I guess on a low buy, because I do have a lot of palettes that I'm sort of trying to go through right now, and I don't really need to buy a new one for a while. So I guess I kind of feel like the same way I feel like with my mugs and my t-shirts, it's like for one to come in, one has to go out. And I like all my palettes right now, so you know, I've got a couple that I'm working through, so once I'm through with those, then I'm gonna buy a new one, I guess. But it doesn't include ones that come in subscription boxes. So this is really cool. So I did want to buy this, but I wasn't gonna pick it up because I guess I'm on a low buy. I mean, I never really made that rule for myself, but I guess I'm sort of doing that. So here's Spanglish by Alamar Cosmetics. And here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like inside. There's a big mirror and all these colors. You've got your neutral one here. And this kind of pinky neutral that I guess could be your transition type shades. And then you have some really nice, like this sort of burnt sienna type shade, and then a hot pink type shade. These are all mattes, and then these are all shimmers. So you've got your purples, and you've got your, that looks like a really nice gold peachy shimmer, and that looks like a burgundy color. So these look really nice. I'm excited to have this. I'm really glad to get this in the BoxyCharm. You know, this is worth $28 if you bought it on its own. So it's actually worth more than you paid for the BoxyCharm. And then you get all the other stuff too. So that's really cool. I'm excited about this. Do you want me to try this out or any of the other items out? Have you tried this? What do you think of BoxyCharm? I want to know your opinions, your thoughts, and your questions in the comments below. If this is the first time you've come here, I do a lot of different artistic kind of things, but including makeup and unboxings. And please consider subscribing. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.